The new 2025 Nissan Armada PRO-4X brings more luxury and capability to the large family SUV segment. Is this the one you've been waiting for? We have a closer look right now. For 2025, the Nissan Armada PRO-4X is all new in North America. Now based on the global market Nissan Patrol, the Armada PRO-4X is loaded with new features and comfort. Under the hood, the Armada now has a 3.5-liter V6 twin-turbo engine, making a peak 425 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. That is a lot of power. The transmission is a 9-speed automatic with a dual-range transfer case and an automatic 4-wheel drive option. The EPA rates economy at 16 miles to the gallon in town and 19 on the highway. New terrain modes open up the Armada to even more adventure, with rut, sand, and rock modes in addition to the standard street modes. These not only optimize the traction control system, it also raises and lowers the adaptive suspension for increased capability and comfort when needed. Normal ground clearance is 9.6 inches. At maximum ride height, you're looking at 11.6 inches. Exclusive to the PRO-4X trim are color-coded recovery points, underbody protection, and 20-inch wheels wrapped in Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires. Towing here has increased to 8,500 pounds. A Class 4 receiver is included with all the necessary connections. There's even a brake controller with a bias control. Inside, you get spacious seating for up to 8. In the back, a spacious cargo area. Behind the last row, you get up to 20.4 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Behind the second, 56.3. With all rows folded flat, it's a whopping 97.1 cubic feet overall. In the back here, you also get an AC power socket. And on the underside, a full-size spare tire. Passengers also get access to their own climate controls, vents, and power. Up front, the driver gets truly luxury appointments. The seats are sculpted, wrapped in leather with contrast stitching, heating, cooling, and power controls. The steering wheel is contoured with easy access buttons to manage functions quickly. The digital gauge cluster has high-resolution graphics with lots of data at a glance. Combined flushed with the curved infotainment screen makes for an all-new visual experience. Switch into off-road mode and it transforms to a view-through camera system, which is pretty cool. Of course, the main screen also doubles as an interface for music, maps, and a lot more. It even has a dash cam with remote monitoring. Of course, the advanced cameras also function as a useful surround view for normal everyday driving. Connect your mobile device with wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There's also a powered bin that charges your device on the go. If you do need more power, dual USB-C sockets are an easy reach. The Armada comes with a long list of active safety features, including collision mitigation, blind spot warnings, rear auto braking, and a lot more. The PRO-4X also has Nissan's adaptive cruise control system, standard. If you're looking for a new full-size SUV that comes with a higher level of comfort and capability, the new Armada PRO-4X might just be the one you've been waiting for. To learn more about the 2025 Nissan Armada PRO-4X, visit your local AutoNation Nissan dealer today. Get started at AutoNation.com.